Hello guys, welcome to our Azure Learning YouTube channel and welcome to the part 2 series of Microsoft Active Directory. So in last session we have configured the on-prem directory to cloud directory synchronization and we did some SSO configuration stuff. But one mistake we did in the last session, we did that SSO configuration in Windows 2019 server. Okay, I referred some documentation and I checked with community support. So there I'm getting it like Windows 2019 is not suitable for this SSO. So like that I got some info from that. So today I'm just going to configure 2022 edition to achieve the SSO. Okay, I have already configured the SSO in this directory. If you wanted to enable the SSO means go and check the part 1 video and then continue this. So now I'm just going to spin the new VM. I'm just creating the new resource group, new RG. Let's give a name. Name is going to be like my VM. This is my VM and this is going to present on this particular zone, and I'm taking the standard security, and this time I'm just going to take this Windows Server 2022 edition. Okay, x64 is fine. This is going to be the root credential. Okay, RTP fine. Disk, go to the networking. Okay, RDP. The management. So here I'm just removing this auto shutdown scheduler. I'm just going to enable this. Okay, after that only that SSO agent package would install in our machine. Restall. Okay, restall looks fine. So now we can create it. Okay, so generally this one would take some time to create. So now let me go back. This is my on-prem directory VM. In this directory VM, I placed some credential. Later I synchronized. With this directory. So just go to the users. See, this two credential, this user 1, user 2 credential I have synchronized. This is my synchronization account. So now these two people's going to do the SSO inside of my VM. Okay, so if you wanted to know you have enabled that SSO or not, means just go to the Microsoft Entra Connect and then you can go to the SSO option. Last thing, seamless single sign-on is enabled. Okay, so we'll wait for some time.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so let's go and check the VM. Yeah, so now our VM got created. So now I'm just going to add the administrator privilege to my IAM user. So just go here. You can find the option called add role assignment. Just go inside and just search it like virtual machine administrator login. Just go to next and select the member, which is user 1 and user 2. These two users I have synchronized from my on-prem directory. So let's review and assign it. Okay, and then the main important thing is we need to log in to this VM using root credential. Then there we need to add these two user credential. After that only these two peoples can authenticate inside of this VM. So what I'll do, just go to the my VM, just copy this and inside we can log in. Yeah. So now let me go to the root admin, and I'm just log into this. Okay, in this session I have took Windows Server 2022 hot patch. Yeah, it's logging in. We'll wait. Wait for it. So once this one got logged in, means we can add our Active Directory credential inside the VM. So now let me go to the user management settings. Yeah, currently I have logged in with the root admin. This is my root credential. So now let me go to the account settings. Here I'm going to add my credential. So just go to the other users. So just click this one. So here I'm just giving it like user 1 at Francis Prakash gmail.on-microsoft.com. Okay, so this is the credential. This people is going to act like an administrator. So user 1 Francis Prakash. Okay, 24. Yeah. So now we can add it. So this one would load. Oops. Now it is showing like user 1. Because this one is literally linked with this my server. So I'm just going to add one more user, which is Mohan at Francis Prakash 24 gmail.on-microsoft.com. Okay, so this is my Active Directory credential. Okay, Azure Active Directory credential. This is my on-prem directory credential. So let me add it. Okay, so let's add it here. Oh, just wait a minute. Showing like my server, but it should show like Azure AD. Give me a minute. Let me check it. At Francis Prakash 24 gmail.on-microsoft.com. Okay, so let's add it. Oops, this is not okay. Actually, here it should show like Azure AD. Oops, actually it's showing. Give me a minute. So let me add this again. At Francis Prakash 24 gmail.on-microsoft.com. I go to the administrator. So now we can add it here. Yeah, so now it is showing like Azure AD. Actually, I did one mistake in the credential part. Okay, so I just did one mistake there. so that it couldn't find the Azure AD credential. Okay, so now we have synchronized with the now we have added the Azure AD credential. So now let me go to the portal. So here I'm just going to download this RDP file. Yeah, so this is my RDP file. Actually, this one is my previous file. Let me open this. Here we need to add two code. Generally, generally, if we gonna add a new VM means in Azure, in portal itself, it will open the new session. In that session itself, we are placing the credentials. Okay, so there if we gonna put the directory credential means that won't work. So for that, I just added this 2 line of code. So let's see that. Yeah, so one main important thing, NLA we need to delete, NLA we need to disable. So just go to the operation, just go to the run command, and also you can enable, you can disable NLA inside of VM itself, but in Azure portal itself we have this option, so we can utilize this. Okay, and also this disable NLA won't take much time. Probably it would take minimum 1 minute to complete the whole disable NLA execution part. Once this one got done means we can directly use it, but in sometimes you would face some difficulties if you face any if that thing got not reflected means you can restart it, but otherwise it would reflect automatically in your Azure VM. It's going to complete now, I think. See, this is the script. Okay, this is the script which they written inside. Okay, see, that NLA got disabled, so let's go and try again. Just click this one, just connect it. Just go to yes. So now we can go to the Azure AD slash, here we need to provide the privilege. Mohan at Francis Prakash 24 gmail dot on microsoft.com. Okay, so let me check this credential once again. Azure AD Mohan at Francis Prakash 24 gmail dot on microsoft.com. Okay, so let me define my IAM user password. This is my IAM user credential. So let's hit it. This one would load. Okay, so your account is configured to prevent you from using this device. So what we need to do is we go to the IAM. So let's check this. And sometimes that policy won't reflect in user 1, user 2. Okay, we just added the administrator login to user 1, user 2, but we didn't add it for Mohan user. Okay, so I'm just going to add for Mohan user. So just go to the virtual machine administrator login. Just go to next. Just select him, Mohan, and yeah, he's coming. Just go here and review and assign. Yeah, that role assignment process is going on. So now that role assignment is done. So that user 1, user 2, Mohan, these people's having the virtual machine administrator login access. So let's go and log in with this credential. Just go to this one. Just connect it. Just click yes. So here we can give the Azure AD Mohan at Francis Prakash 24 gmail dot on Microsoft.com. Okay, so now we can try to log in. Yeah. So we need to wait for some time. This one would take some time to configure the user profile, and then local configurations would take some time. We need to wait. See, now we have logged in with this credential. Okay, this one we have logged in via root admin, but this one we have logged in via Mohan user. He is currently an IAM user. These people also had the full privilege. So now I'm just going to check these people had the SSO or not. So let's check it. Now I'm just opening the Edge. Okay, let me click these things. So let me search on site portal.azure.com. Okay, this is the site. I'm just going to hit enter. It won't ask any username, it won't ask any password. It would directly go to the Azure portal. Okay, I didn't sign in, I didn't put any password. Only the thing is, I just placed this URL. Otherwise, I didn't configure anything. This is what single sign-on. Okay, I hope this video helps you to configure the SSO. Yeah, okay guys, I think that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll come up with one interesting topic, and also I'll put the part 1 video in the description. So if you guys need, that means you can utilize it. And also if you need a Bastion connectivity, see, if you are not comfortable to go with the RDP session, which is too difficult to me, I was just wanted to connect with the Bastion means. That Bastion video also, I'll put it in the description. You can get it. Yeah, that's it.